Hello, hello. It's me again, your diagnostic guy with my flashlight on and I guess, I don't know if you can see that Kakashi hair. You know, that's my hairdo right now. But here we go again with this another exciting moment with my diagnostic. As you can see, this car is uh dismantled. I got all the other parts here. The steering is there. So and that's the airbag. So this car have a no start issue. Um, when you put the key in, it when you put the key in, it won't start. No lights coming out. Uh, Securities and everything are okay. Battery got drained, so we charge the battery. I do all the check stuff, the diagnostic. They said they had the battery replaced a year ago, and they went on vacation. When they came back, it's dead. Car won't start. So here I am diagnosing, and one of the problem that I found is the steering lock module. This, um, if you know, on the old course, sometimes you're having a hard time cycling the key. That's because the steering was locked and you had to kind of wiggle it or release it to a certain position for you to be able to turn the key. On this type of system, they have this electronic locking device that locks it. It's not the ignition switch anymore with the tumbler that actually locks the steering. It's actually this this steering lock, and just to be exact, this guy right here that I'm pushing, that is the one that engages on the steering column and locks it. Of course, they all happen electronically with this module inside. So how I found out what's wrong with this? It's really simple. I didn't need to put the scanner in. Um, every time I put the key in, it just automatically tells me remove the key, even though I haven't cycled it or anything else. Even if I cycle it, the message still remains the same: remove the key. Like it's not recognizing the action I took when I cycled it. It's just stuck in one position, which is this. This, when you turn the key, this should release and send a signal back saying, hey, my steering lock is released. Go ahead and do the next step in starting the vehicle, or uh, do the immobilizer and all that stuff. And so I went ahead and just went on and jumped the gun and just straight away went to the steering lock and checked it. Um, I've seen this happen before in some many cars, as a matter of fact, that has a smart key access or start button that have that problem. And usually, a steering lock causes problem because electronically inside is a module that's causing the problem, and mechanical overload and burning sometimes, and sometimes it's actually the mechanical that's in it. So here on this video, I actually took the initiative to take this up. There is a screw in here on all four of them. I drilled it out with a reverse drill bit, but if you can manage to screw it out, by all means do the necessary things, just not to break the inside in case they're gonna reuse everything and you're just replacing a certain part. Um, so in this case, I drilled it and just lift it up. That's what's in there, the housing. And here's the module. I was gonna go and remove the module to see what's going on, because sometimes people just replace that motor, as you can see. But in this case, I don't have to go further. You can already tell, to all of you out there, what's going on with this. That's your overload. That's your burn. See that black spot? And if you look deeper inside, they're burnt. See, burnt. So if I take this up, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna see it. It just overloaded. It overheated and it burned. So there you go, guys. That's one of the reason why this steering lock module breaks. On this Mercedes, there are certain ways to install this. You can't just install. Well, in so many cars that has a electronic steering lock, you can't just install it and plug and play and hope happy everything goes happy and you know it all good it's all good. But on this particular car, you have to program it. When you buy this dealership item, which is, it's hard to get in there, so you might want to buy the dealer, and that way you're safe. And plus, I work in a shop, so we have a good relation with those Mercedes dealer. Get the parts, they warranted and all that. When you buy this from the dealership, it comes with a blue key, they call it. It's like a module that you plug to where this is plugged in to allow the programming to start. And sometimes you need a separate scanner computer to complete the programming. And to some cars, sometimes whatever they send you or they provide you, a certain module, sometimes that's the only thing you need to use. Plug it in, and that module will do its thing, and then you plug the steering lock, and it'll work with the key. So for this car, this is a 2010 Mercedes C300. You're gonna need that blue key, and I believe you're still gonna need a separate computer to program this. All right. So I hope this video helps you. I'm sorry that I was so in a hurry to remove all the steering and all that, but uh, it's okay. You did not miss anything. There's so many videos out there on how to remove the steering on this car for this kind of work. I'm just showing to you what may cause this problem. And in this video, that's the problem that's caused it not to release this steering lock mechanism. All right. I hope you enjoy it. Again, once again, thank you. I hope I um enlighten you a little to a little things that I know. All right. Thank you. See you. Bye.